Justin, it's Christmas. See the smile on his face, girl? You didn't get that. He smiled.
Merry Christmas, Justin.
Merry Christmas. Alright, let's go do Chloe again. He gonna wake up right now. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, baby.
Merry
Christmas.
Hi, Chloe. Are you excited today's Christmas? You get to open up your presents. Ooh, that's gonna be fun. Huh? You couldn't breathe? Why didn't you tell Auntie?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Doing me best in the dark.
It wasn't dark. I left the TV on for you. Uh-oh. Someone else is up now. Yes? It's Christmas.
I know. Just 1 sec.
Okay. Okay. I'll close your door. Hurry up.